Hello everyone, happy October 26th. Today we celebrate pumpkins, mules, and the joy of storytelling. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Pumpkin Day, a festive tribute to fall's favorite squash. A great gift could be a pumpkin carving kit, a spiced candle set, or a recipe card for pumpkin pie. What's your favorite pumpkin treat or tradition? Let's harvest ideas in the comments. Next, it's National Mule Day, honoring the hardworking hybrid of horse and donkey. A sweet gift could be a mule-themed mug, a donation to a farm sanctuary, or a children's book about farm animals. Ever met a mule in real life? Let's share stories below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Day of the Deployed, a heartfelt tribute to military personnel serving away from home. A thoughtful gift could be a care package, a thank you card set, or a donation to a military support organization. Who's someone you'd like to honor today? Let's salute them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 25th to 30th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.